Look, look at my room. It's in disorder. Last video, my room was in disorder. So guess what happened? We lost 1,500 bucks. Luckily, let me show you. Let me show you. Luckily though, we broke even and we actually didn't lose 1,500 bucks of our hard-earned money because that would be like 2 weeks of work. 2 weeks slaving away. Where's oil? Why is oil not on my watch list? This is tragic. Okay, so guys, pull up Michael, please pull up the clip.
We were at a range high, we added a little bit to our position, and now we're rejecting from range highs. So what can we do? We can wait for it to come back to our range lows, and let's see how it bounces off our mid-range.
Damn, actually editing. I'm editing for you boys. Look at this, okay? We're at range lows now. This move we captured beautifully. We added 2 shorts here. We added a little bit to shorts here. We added and we started our position here. Just playing this pretty well. Pretty well. It's down 15% from the most recent swing high. This is our swing. Whoop. And this is our swing high. You can see that it comes in phases. Swing, 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 swing. Boom. And try to keep it on a high time frame. So this is the weekly. This is the daily. Now where shit starts to get tricky is if you're on the hourly. Okay? Now have good luck, bro. What is this? What is this? What is happening here? That looks unnatural. That's just somebody selling. When was this? Asia? Asia into Europe, just continuous selling, just dumping of positions. So hourly 5 minute, yeah, good luck trying to make sense of all this. You're gonna get lost in the sauce. Like, oh yeah, well, this could be support, and this could be resist. Dude, go fuck yourself. Look at the daily. Zoom out. Like, you can't even see. These are our drawings we just made. Like who? Just zoom out, and this is what people do too. They want to make money quick, and I've been a victim of this. And they just sit here on the 1 minute. Look at price. They look at price action on the 1 minute. Like, what are you doing? I haven't pulled up like, oh, we're at resistance. Sell. We're going back to range lows. No, it doesn't work like that. On the daily, they can manipulate price. So we're at range lows. What can we do? We have a few options here. This has been considered a discount. Um, and my plan was to target kind of this inefficiency here. You can see better on the monthly, maybe. Not really. Like, anyway, kind of this area, because I see this, and for the broader economy and the world as a whole to prosper, this has to be expensive. This has to be expensive. Otherwise, we're kind of cooked. This is more of the mean. Oh my god, why was oil so okay? Let's see. Let's pull up. Yeah, let's do isn't. Whoa. It doesn't like that. Since COVID, what's the mean? It doesn't like it. Too much data. let's look at it on the monthly because I'm too zoomed in. Like, come on, this is an abrupt spike in volume. What comes up must come down. Okay, is gravity. Floop. Come on, come on. So that's our thesis. So we're at range lows, and let me finish my train of thought. What's the mean? Where has price interacted most from? I don't have an indicator right now, but I would say that level's around 70. Say 70-ish is a fair price for oil. We're trading at 90 now. 80, if we see 80, I'll sell. If we see 80, I think I will sell. I think that's a fair price. I think it's a fair price for oil. Because this is where probably the most people have bought and sold from. Look at this interaction. Okay? Probably where most of the volume has been done at. Now, we lost. Look at this on the monthly. Oh my god. So we decided to long this asset and we lost $1,500 because of it. Now let me take you through what happened. Okay. What happened? What happened here? What happened here? So initially we decided to long Aave around here. Because why not? We thought, okay, we had our support and this is our higher low into higher prices. Well, I was incredibly wrong. As it turns out, it just completely swept these lows. So how do we lose money around here? So I decided to long it. Guess what? Guess what? Now I remember. At range fucking range highs on the hourly. I literally bought like, yeah, I bought like over a year at range highs. Oh my, so I got clobbered. I lost a little over a grand. Like we said, we were gonna long Aave with a grand. We used 20x leverage. Boom, got smoked. So here's what we did. We saw the sweep of liquidity. Like people got fucked here, and I'm like, okay, buy the blood, right? So I decided to re-enter around here, and then exited today at like 5. What? No, it's Wednesday today. So I see this, get scared, and I exited the position because if we take a quick look at Bitcoin right here, it lost its local range, and this is the 4-hour. Okay, who cares about the 4-hour? This is what you should be looking at. This is what you should be focused on. And on the weekly, it looks like ass. So I shouldn't even have attempted longs here. This is just silly. But you're too zoomed in. Like I was making fun of my people that were looking on the 1 minute. I was basically doing the exact same thing, but with the 4-hour. So anyways, we thought, okay, maybe, oh, this closed terribly. I should have looked at the chart one last time. Because I thought this candle, it had 4 minutes. Let's pinpoint this. So it's 6, 10, yeah, okay. No, that should have been 10. Oh my, I'm confused, bro. Oh, that's because I was looking for confirmation bias. Okay, bear with me. Instead of drawing the range here like a normal person, maybe I was looking at Ethereum. I was drawing it like this, which, yeah, technically, yeah, it closed in the range, And you know, deviation back inside the range will go up. I thought, okay, deviation back inside the range will go up. No, we rejected here from range lows. I saw this morning we were trading around here, and I closed it. I'm like, yeah, no, we've accepted below the range. It's cooked. So we either hold here because you swept, you kind of rejected off here. So you hold at this white line, or you're gonna keep coming down. Simple as that. Can't really explain why. It's just how the market is moving right now. You can see it. It goes down, goes up, then it goes down, then it goes up, then it goes down. Are we gonna go lower? I don't know. Anyways, in my opinion, Bitcoin, this is cheap. This is cheap Bitcoin. 50s, it's cheap. Okay, so we saw it closed below range lows. We closed our Aave long that we re-entered around here, and then we lost another 300. Plus the 1100 we lost and some change. To, all in all, I lost about 1500 on this trade. We made up for it in oil. So, you know, house money. We're making no real progress. We are at the 5% mark still of our first sub goal of 100K. That should be achieved by the end of this year. So, you know, it's not impossible. We're at 5%. We could have been close to 10 now. That esteemed 5 figures is a bitch, as Warren Buffett says. First 10K is a bitch. First 100K is a real bitch. First million, 1000K. That's a real bitch. 1,000 racks. Whew. That's what we're here for, guys. Sorry for the long-winded updates. Yeah, oil is playing out fantastic. It's down 4% on a day. It's more volatile than Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin I have on my watch list right now. So, and we are short with a little bit of size. So yeah, that's all I have to share for you, with you, and have a good one.